Hello everyone, if you're trying to play League of Legends and you keep getting this error, Vanguard Error Van81, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm gonna show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on League of Legends easily. So first off, what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up your task manager and then you're gonna close any applications related to Riot Client or Riot Vanguard. So just close everything related to Riot, and once you're done with that, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Explorer, you're going to go to your C drive, go into program files, and then you're going to delete this Riot Vanguard folder. Don't worry, this doesn't store your game, it just stores the anti-cheat. So you're going to delete this folder. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here services.msc. And now you're going to look for the service called VGC. So just click onto any service, press V on your keyboard. Here it is, right click on it, go into properties, click startup type, set it to either automatic or automatic delete start. After that, click start on service status, click apply, okay then, and then go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, you're going to open up the Riot Client. And when you open up the Riot Client, you will see that there will be an update for League of Legends. And when you click onto update, it will reinstall the Vanguard anti-cheat on our computer. And once it's done reinstalling the anti-cheat, now you can go ahead and play League of Legends, and you'll see that you will not get that Vanguard 81 error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.